Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, San Bernardino County in southern California, southeastern Clark County in southern Nevada, until 8 p.m.
Flood warning for the following counties.
At 4:51 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, or 4:51 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain developing around Bullhead City south to the Mojave Valley. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bullhead City, Laughlin, Needles, Mesquite Creek, Mojave Valley, Mojave Ranch Estates, Oatman and Willow Valley.